Good day. Will you please introduce yourself?
Good day, sir, madam. I'm Marita Bakuman, 26 years old, 5 feet tall, a graduate of microcomputer technology, single.
Tell me about your working experience.
I've worked as domestic helper to Mr. and Mrs. Nelia Cayado for 2 years since January 2008 to January 2010 in
What
the
are your duties
Philippines.
and responsibilities as a housemaid?
My duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper is to manage all the household chores, washing and ironing clothes, and taking care of a baby.
Do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
I know how to take care of a newborn baby by feeding milk every 3 to 4 hours, birth the baby, after feeding, change diapers, send the baby to sleep by singing lullaby.
Can you sing a simple children's song?
Yes, I can sing a simple song. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indian, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indian, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indian, 10 little Indian boys.
What will you do if your employers may be crying for a long time?
I'll be check the diaper if it's wet, or I'll be check the baby is hungry, but if the baby is still crying, then I will inform my employer that their baby is crying for a long time.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly or aged person?
Yes, madam. I am willing to take care of an elderly person. Since I have my grandparents, I take care of them like my special one by helping them to take their food and medicine.
How about the naughty children? How would you handle them?
I would handle naughty children by being friendly and playful with them, so I would get their attention. I'll sing with them, teach them good manners and right conduct, reading books, and giving them love and care.
Do you know how to cook?
I know how to cook Filipino food like tinola, sinigang, and many others. I also know how to cook simple Chinese food like steamed fish, fried rice, noodles, soup, and I'm very much willing to learn.
Can you operate electrical appliances?
Yes, ma'am, I know how to operate electric appliances like washing machine, vacuum cleaner, polisher, oven toaster, microwave oven, and others.
Most of the employers in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn their language?
Yes, ma'am, I am very interested to learn Cantonese language so that I can fully understand my employer, especially to the elders.
Your duties in Hong Kong will be doing all the household chores at the same time taking care of the children. How would you handle this kind of situation?
First, I will make sure the employer's children are in safe place by putting them into the crib or giving by some toys to play. Then I will continue doing my works.
In case you found something like money inside the pocket while washing your employer's clothes or jewelry while cleaning the house, what will you do?
I will give it back to my employer, ma'am.
What if during your day off, then your employer told you not to take your day off because they have visitors, what will you do?
I will not take my day off. Instead, I will stay and serve my employer together with their visitors.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of a high salary given to the domestic helper, to which I can help and support my family to provide their needs and financial assistance.
Would you like to say something to your prospective employer?
Sir, madam, if you will give me the opportunity to work as your domestic helper, I promise that I will work hard, be obedient, loyal, and trustworthy, and I promise finish my 2 years contract without causing any problem. Thank you, sir, madam, and God bless.
Thank you.